elastic coiled head wrap. Elastic coiled head wrap. Grab your elastic, tie it to your head to hold your head very firmly. Then take your fabric, get a long fabric, fold it into two and tuck it in and hold it down. Hold it down on the elastic. The elastic is going to be our base for this head wrap. We're doing a coil. We're doing a fabric coil on our elastic. Yeah. We're coiling our fabric around the elastic for a change. Okay? Like so. We've started the coils. Twist it. Then you get a coil. Keep twisting. Make sure your coil, you get a strong coil that the fabric will coil by itself. Yes, the coil will come by itself. But when the fabric is well coiled and tight, you know that it's ready to go. Then you tuck it in through the elastic. Tuck it in from the back side to the front, like you're seeing, like so. And your first coil is ready. Then you go ahead with the second, third, fourth, fifth, as many coils as you want, depending on the length of your fabric. The length and the fullness of your fabric determines how many coils you will get from this style. Alright, so you keep coiling and keep wrapping round the elastic. Keep coiling and keep wrapping it, passing it through the elastic from the back to hold it firm. This is very beautiful. You can leave the coils close together. You can, in fact, as it is, I can see so many styles coming out from this. So many styles that I'm still going to share coming out from what I'm seeing right now, from what I'm doing. You can see. Yeah, keep wrapping and keep coiling. Keep coiling it. Please make sure you use a matching elastic to whatever turban, wig cap, or head wrap you are wearing. Make sure you are using a matching head wrap, a matching colored elastic, so as to go with your fabric and it will not be too visible. It will not be very visible at all. So make sure if you're using red, get a red elastic. If you're using white elastic. If you are using black, get a black elastic. Like we are done right now. You can see, so beautiful. I can even leave it like this if I want. I can leave it, I can push it to the center just like a headband, but this is fabric elastic headband. So like you can see. Okay, but I'm going to style it. I'm going to style it by splitting it out. You can see I'm splitting out the coils and expanding it so it can go around my head. Expand it so it can go around my head. My fabric is not long enough. So I'm splitting it, splitting the coils so it can go around my head. Okay, all right. I'm still going to loosen it up. I'm loosening it up a little bit to get to the back side. So like I said, if you like, you can leave the coils closed up together, or if you like, you can split them, you know, to have a scattered kind of style. Like I say, I'm twisting it to go around to cover the elastic, but you don't really need to worry about this. If you like, you can just leave it, the elastic, on the black background, because you already have a black background. The elastic will not really be visible. Nobody, even if it's seen, it doesn't matter. The attention will not be on the elastic. Your attention will be on the style, your style of head wrap, because it's beautiful. That is what will be looked at. So here it is. I'm already done with it. That is all there is to it. It's so simple and so beautiful, and it's so elegant. different from the norm, just using a wrapped round elastic headband. If you find value in this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe and comment. You can see different styles I'm bringing out of it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being a star of Glow with Gladys. This is one beautiful head wrap that will go with anything you put on. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.